Good morning, everybody. I don't know why I'm so energetic because it's like 7:30 in the morning. But anyways, yeah. Right now I'm heading to Cars and Coffee in Lake Nona. It's gonna be my first Cars and Coffee. So pretty stoked about it, you know? Just wanna see how everything goes over here. Been to a bunch of Cars and Coffee over there in San Diego, but this is the first one that I'll be over here. Heard it's gonna be pretty good. I heard there's a lot of exotics and everything that show up, so I'll see you guys at Cars and Coffee. It's a beautiful morning out, guys. Been driving for about 25 minutes. I swear, Lake Nona is hella far from where I live. It's beautiful though. It's just being developed and everything. It's where I get all like, usually like when I do a photo shoot or something, this is where it's at. Because it's a lot of open, it's a lot of open space and undeveloped like townhomes and stuff. I redid the tire letterings too. Makes the car look so much better. Oh my goodness. Thankfully I remember to pick up the coffee because I would have for sure spilled it if I didn't. What? No freaking way. There's no way that a Cars and Coffee over here has booths and everything like that. There's just no way. It's like so official. It's like an official Cars and Coffee. Pretty nice. Oh, they got a member parking. Oh, they're fancy. Oh, you gotta pay? I don't know. Oh, okay, see. There's a list. There's a list for cars and everything. Right here?
Yeah, down here.
Alright.
On the left or in that row, and trying to keep space for all the GTRs.
Okay, sounds good.
Put back in on the other side of that 370Z down there that doesn't know what's going on. Just go all the way down.
That way?
Yeah, down this way.
Alright, sounds good. Thank you. Park at the end with 370Z that doesn't know what's going on. That's funny. Wow.
The only reason why I didn't go to my house, even though I was upset, was because I was like, nope, I gotta go to Cars and Coffee and it's close to drive.
Oh my god. Where's your girl? Good. Nah, I'm playing.
I asked her, an import or right-hand drive swap?
Nah, it's imported.
For the jam.
I see a lot. Civics are the one I see with the right-hand drive swap all the time, so I have to ask.
Nah, this isn't swap. He's gonna make me look good. Or maybe I'll make him look good. I don't know. Bro, this is like official Cars and Coffee.
Yeah.
Like they got members and shit.
Yeah. This is the good one that no one wants to drive to, but
Bro,
there's always organized like cars, like sections.
it's ridiculous. Cause it's ridiculous. Cause in San Diego, it's Cars and Coffee, but it's like very, you know, unorganized. And I mean, they got nice cars, but it's just, I don't know, it's different. It's not as official as this. Oh my God. What is it, 05, right? 05. It's a 05 NSX, Acura NSX. 9,000 miles actually, guys. This thing is ridiculous. Red interior is amazing. Yeah. Like, there you go.
I don't know if we get the whole red interior in the States.
That's nice though.
Yeah, it looks good with the black.
The wheels aren't my cup of coffee, you know?
He said he has a stock one.
The booties look good. Takumi, go home, dog. Go home. Mountain Kina is that way. Went for freaking Tony to get some donuts and coffee or whatever so that we can walk around. And actually, we're probably gonna eat and then we're gonna walk around because there's still cars rolling in. And I think this is from 8 to 10, so we got time. And I know nobody's leaving anytime soon, so yeah. DSM 6-bolt thing is amazing. Makes me miss mine, I swear. God, Eagle Talon, bro. Man, this thing's so sick. And you only got one seat in it. That's pretty sick. But I mean, look at that turbo. Thing's massive.
Ooh, the satin blue HRE.
Yeah, that shit does look pretty nice.
Sexy. Nice wheels.
Thing's hella quick, most
color,
likely.
That color's dope.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Right?
That's like the brand new one.
Yeah, that color's dope.
That thing's fire.
I like that a lot.
That's how it comes from factory?
Yeah.
Wow.
Bro, that thing is no stock.
That's impressive. Aston Martins, R8s, R10, V10.
Beautiful, man.
Oh, they're both
What color is
V10s.
this? Oh my god.
Ooh, God. I don't know if y'all can pick that up in the camera, but it's like a blue. Man, that is amazing. The carbon on this thing. Holy crap. Real nice. Wow. Ceramic rotors. Wow. Got another Audi. Their brake light's pretty nice. Ooh, the Lotus. That's another car I'd love to own.
Just a reminder, there is no revving allowed at this venue.
Like a go-kart.
Over 900 wheels.
Yeah, but you cannot leave. We'll be
I had
staying,
the
spending
Weapon
the
X
whole
kit
weekend.
set on it, and then he got the car with 760, which is what it comes from.
Yeah.
760, 765,
You can
whatever.
sign up on
755.
greencarforkids.org.
After that, he ended up doing something to it. Now he says it's over 900 wheels.
That's how it is when you buy a freaking domestic, a new one at that, you know. So hold on, bro, I gotta check these out. I don't know what it is, but like it's a Corvette kind of day today. LSX.
Now,
Yeah, this thing is nasty. Well, bro, what do you gotta say?
to see the new mid-engine C8 Corvette. That's really what we're gonna see. What Corvette's all about. If they can do a mid-engine platform.
That's them testing their limits. Well, let's see what we can get away with.
Yeah, the ZR1 you guys just saw.
I remember I went to like one of those rallies or whatever. Like I think it was like a gumball rally or something like that in San Diego, and they had one of these, but with nitrous. I was like, what the fuck?
That's got underdrive pulley, E85. My thing is, these are already fast. This is 650 horse stock.
Yeah.
So,
You ain't gotta do much. Like you can just leave it stock and it's fine.
and for everybody, again.
Oh my God, Tony.
Everybody watching, where are you gonna use it on the street? I love power, but let's be realistic. You can't use 200 horsepower sometimes when you're sitting in traffic.
Tony, this is just gonna be your YouTube channel from now on.
I'll join you.
How Tony feels about cars. Da, 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 da.
Yeah, the Supra sucks. It needs a 2J and a Targa, a TRD wing, and a 6-speed.
I guess.
Not no
Yeah, that's
BMW
true.
Piece of shit.
That's true. That's true.
B58.
And he's a
And
BMW
a
special.
certified.
Yeah,
I love
exactly.
them, but not in a Supra.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is impressive and a very underrated car.
Yes, sorry.
No,
Or the
the
R10.
Alpha.
Oh, the Alpha. That's sorry.
Quadrifoglio. It's a twin turbo V6.
You know what, bro? I'm a 6 that ass.
It's an M3 killer.
Really?
And it's so good. I was watching the video that my dad sent me of Jeremy Clarkson, who obviously has driven every sort of car we can imagine.
That's true.
After he drove one, he went straight to the dealer and bought one.
No.
It's that good.
That's crazy. Damn, he didn't really have anything bad to say about it, or what?
No.
I mean, it looks nice. Is it a 4-door? Yeah, it's a 4-door. So it's like an Evo is what you're saying. Besides all the faulty, you know, I mean, not the faulty stuff, but I'm saying like all the pain in the butt maintenance that you have to do whenever you want to run the car hard. I think it's nice though. Very nice. It looks like it's roomy, actually, besides the back seats. But it looks nice.
Here he is.
Oh, there's Kanjo Man. Go home, pizza boy. Danny! Okay, well, I guess they're too famous for us.
They don't pay attention to us no more.
Nah, yeah.
Jay came out. Oh my gosh.
My group of friends are so out of place here. I see some shiny, shiny stuff. That's sick. Let's check out the interior. I ain't really one for classic cars, but you know, kind of like them, especially if they haul ass. Yeah, this thing is pretty crazy. That's crazy.
Look at all the details of the powder coated brackets. I like that.
Yeah, that is pretty dope. You got the sticky tires. I said Danny and you didn't look at me. What's up, bro? Ooh. Danny's whip. Cool whip. Get it? Because it's a cool whip. Fun. Bro, they just said no revving. Like 2 minutes ago, bro. You see? Just got yelled at. What's up, dudes?
What's up? Hey, kid.
What up?
What's up, G?
What up?
Yeah.
Team no good racing. Ooh. That's sick. Scat pack. Aaron, if you're watching my videos, Aaron, this is what you need to do to your car. Alright, bro? Bags. Leave the demon wheels. Put a bunch of carbon shit on it. And wrap it. Thing's nasty.
911 motor in it.
Yeah.
This has always been one of my
Oh
favorites
my
right
god.
here. Right?
Alright, shh. For a second. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the Cars and Coffee. This is a little snippet, probably gonna be a little short video. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys aren't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. It's gonna be a lot more like this. I don't know about Cars and Coffee, but you know, a lot more car content. But if you guys do like the video, do like, you know, my personality, I guess. I'll leave my number. No, I'm playing. But I'll catch you guys next time, alright? Deuces. One love.